All right, so let's get into it. Let me show you guys how this all works. I know you're curious, and we're going to talk a little bit more about pocket options and how that works. And I'm also going to break down a little bit more about HFX so you can kind of really understand how all that works. So with that said, let's just go ahead and jump right into it here. HFX, which is an abbreviation for high frequency trading, and some people also call it binary options. They're both the same thing. So I'm going to show you why a lot of people have this kind of expression on their face when they're using pocket options, trading, HFX. So let me show you guys how this actually works. It's like playing a video game. It's easy to set up. It pays out faster than Forex. It's very similar to Forex, but way simpler, pays out faster. Anybody can do it. It's just super simple. There's no complicated calculations. There's no apps to download. And of course, there's no overwhelm. So let me kind of break it down a little bit about the HFX strategy. This is a really quick illustration on how this works and how you can take advantage of it here really quickly. Let me move. I got like all kind of stuff on my desk here. So let me kind of break it down for you really quick here. So let me kind of show you an illustration on the strategy. Let's paint the picture here. You see this line here, this represents 0 seconds. This line represents 30 seconds right here. So you see this line right here, and this space in between is just the time. It takes 30 seconds for this little red ball to get over to this little finish line here. Okay. Now, when you're trading HFX, there's all kinds of things that you can trade. You can trade stocks, you can trade, currencies, you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade oil, gold, all kinds of cool things, all kinds of commodities and everything. So in this example, what we're going to do, we're going to trade a stock. We're going to trade some Apple stock. So this is an illustration on how HFX works and how pocket option actually works, when it comes to trading, high frequency trading, better known as binary options. So let me show you. So we're going to do Apple here. And let's just say right now, Apple is paying out a 92% payout on profits. So let me kind of break that down. For example, let's say that I was going to do a $100 trade. So if I was going to do a $100 trade and they're paying out 92% of $100, if I win this trade, they're going to pay me, $100. They're going to pay me $92 because 92% of $100 is $92. So if I win, I'm going to walk away with $192, which is basically a $92 profit. So when it comes to HFX, really when it comes to HFX, and a lot of trading is really just predicting if a particular stock or currency or whatever, the price of whatever that is, it's just predicting, is the price of that going to go up over the next 30 seconds or is it going to go down over the next 30 seconds or over the next 15 minutes or over the next hour? However long you want to do your trade, you can pick how long you want to do your trades. But in this example here, we're going to do a 30-second trade here, okay? And we're going to do a $100 trade, okay? And I'm going to predict that the price of Apple stock when I enter the trade is going to go up, okay, over the next 30 seconds. That's my prediction. And if my prediction is correct, guess what? I just made $92 because remember, they're paying out 92%. And this number can fluctuate throughout the day. Sometimes it's 80%, sometimes it's 75%, sometimes it's 92%, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, but right now, as I'm trading at this moment, Apple is actually right now paying out a 92% payout. So let me kind of give you an example here. So let's say I entered the trade here and you see this line here, the price can go up. It could be real high up here. The price could be really low. Let's just say I enter the trade, right here, somewhere around here. And you're going to get the example here because typically all you're doing when you're trading HFX, you're either buying or selling. Okay. You hit the green button if you're going to buy. You hit the sell or red button if you're going to sell. Okay. Let me kind of give you an example here. So let's say we're going to do a buy. Okay. In this example, we're going to do a buy and we're going to enter right here. Okay. This is where we're going to enter the trade. So whatever the price is at this point right here, and what pocket options is going to do is going to draw a line here, and that line is going to stretch out for 30 seconds. So it's going to start here and it's going to end. This is the finish line. And so the object of the game is I got to make sure that when the stock, after that 30 seconds, that I just got to make sure that the price is above this line. Let me kind of give you an example. You've seen like stuff online when you're looking at stocks and even on television and movies and all that, and you see the little lines kind of going up and down and all that kind of stuff, right? Well, that's what we're actually going to do here. So if I go back here and let's say I enter the trade like right now, 3, 2, 1, I just enter the trade, and so far look like the stock is actually going up. Okay, so that's great. So again, we're above the line right here. So as long as we're above this line, by the time we reach this finish line, we're good. And so though it went back down, that's not good, right? So but it's not over yet, because I still got time here. I got like maybe 15 seconds left, right? So it's going up. Okay, we're looking good now. And then it goes back down. We're still good. We're still above that line. So hey, looks good. We got about, I don't know, 10 seconds left or something like that. And then it just shoots all the way down here. So it's still not good. We haven't lost any money or anything yet, because we still got time here, right? So as long as we're above that line, by the time it reaches that 30-second line, boom. And it did, guess what? Since even though it's close, guess what? I still win the trade. How much did I win? Guess what? $92, because I won the trade. My prediction was correct. I predicted that the price of Apple stock right here, when I entered when I entered the market, guess what? I predicted that it was going to be up over, the price was going to go up over the next 30 seconds. And guess what? I was right. I won. So guess what? Now, instead of just $100, now I got $192. I really profited $92, but hey, I'm walking away with $192 in my account. Makes sense? And again, that only took 30 seconds. So literally I made $92 in 30 seconds. So $92 in 30 seconds. That's how simple it is. And let me kind of give you a live example of pocket options when you're trading HFX. Now, you're going to see why so many people are rushing to pocket options, simply because it gives you a way on how you can make money pretty quickly. That was a 30-second trade. You can do a minute trade, 3-minute trade. There even sometimes you can do a 15-second trade. So it's crazy. So you can literally make money in minutes. Let me show you here. Let me show you a live example here. So this is a live screenshot of pocket options here, and you're going to get access to this as well when you finish watching this video. So if you look here, right here at the top here, this is a typical currency, a trading currency like Forex. This is USD over the Japanese yen. So that's what we're going to trade here. Okay. In this example, like in the last example, which was the illustration, and I showed you that we did some trading on, Apple stock. In this example, we're going to trade a currency pair. Okay. So it could be gold, it could be silver, it could be Bitcoin, because you can do cryptocurrency. But in this example, we're going to trade this. Now, currently right now, USD JPY is paying out at an 80% payout. Remember how I told you it can fluctuate depending on whatever it is that you're trading, which is fine. Hey, I can make 80% of my money, in this example, we're actually going to do a 30-second trade. So it shows you how much is going to, that it's actually going to pay out, shows you what you're trading right here. Okay. And then of course, if you look here, it shows me that we're going to do a 30-second trade, right? And let me zoom in on this so you can see this a little bit better. So we're going to do a 30-second trade. You see that right there? And then, of course, we're going to do a $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. And what we're going to do in this example, I'm going to do a buy, okay? I'm going to predict that the stock or that the price of USD JPY is going to go up. When I enter the market, I'm predicting that it's actually going to go up, compared to where it was when I first entered the market. So again, and this is where you can actually do a sell. You hit the red for a sell, and of course you hit the buy or green button if you're going to do a buy. So I'm predicting that it's going to go up, so I'm actually going to hit the green button. If I was predicting that it was going to go down, I would hit the red button. I'm going to give you an example of that here in just a second. So let me show you how this works. So let's do a live example. Of course, this is a recording, but you'll get the picture of how it works. So what we're going to do, we're going to enter the trade. So let me hit the play button here. And my goal is I'm going to hit the green button at a certain time, and I'm going to show you when I'm getting ready to do it. So here we go. So I think we're about to enter the trade right about now. There it is. See that green line? So that's my 30-second line, just like I showed you in the illustration. There's a little ball bouncing around. So again, like I said before, the object of the game is it has to be above this green line, anywhere above this green line before when it reaches the finish line, it just has to be above here. So anywhere. If it's below that green line, I lost, and I just lost $100. But if it's above, I'm going to win 100 and I'm going to win $80. Okay, here we go. Boom, I won that one. So boom, I just won. You'll see the little notification right here come up on the side right here. Actually, well, it didn't, because I edited the video, but there's usually a little notification lets you know that you won. So we just made $180 in 30 seconds. Okay. Now let me show you this here. Here's an example of buy. I'm predicting that the price is going to go down. So in this example here, we're going to predict that it's actually getting ready to go down. Okay. And if you notice too, I've got this little indicator right here. So this little indicator is actually pretty cool. And I'm gonna do some more training on this, once you get to the other videos here in the series. But the cool thing is this little indicator is telling me what most traders around the globe are doing currently right now at this very moment. So it's saying 57% of the people that are using this platform around the globe right now are actually doing a sell, right? They're hitting the red button. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to follow suit. So here's an example. So I'm going to hit the red button right about now. Boom. There it is. Okay. See that right there? That's my time frame. So again, I think you kind of get the picture now. So in this case, I did a sell. So now I've got to be below. Because remember, the other one was I think it was a green line. It was a green line. But now since I done a sell, there's a red line. So I need to be anywhere below here. When it hits the finish line right here, I'm good. Okay, come on, go down. Okay, there we go. Okay, awesome. Boom, won. See, there's a little notification I was talking about. $180. Guess what? We just made another $180. How long did it take us? 30 seconds. So now you see why. So now I think you get the picture why so many people are rushing to get inside of Pocket Options so they can start doing some HFX trading, which is great because since so many people are rushing to, and this isn't a new platform. This has been around for several years. This is just new to you. It was definitely new to me too, but this 2021, I've been doing a lot in the financial investing world, if you will. So that's how I've gotten, wind of it. But this isn't a new platform. It's just maybe new to you. It was definitely new to me earlier this year, but it's been around for several years now. And others that are very similar to it, because it's not the only one. This isn't the only platform. This is just definitely one of the most popular, trading platforms for binary options. And it's really, really cool because it has a lot of cool features, a really good referral program compared to a lot of other ones. So I think Pocket Options is probably one of the most popular ones out there. So again, what you want to do now, you just want to create your Pocket Options account. So I'm going to go over some more information. I'm going to show you how to get all set up. It should only take, 2 to 3 minutes, if that. It's really, really, really simple to set up an account. Set up a demo account. It's free. It doesn't cost anything to set up a demo account. And I'll show you exactly how to set up your live account so you can actually start making cash too when you're doing trades and all that good stuff. Because remember, with this whole platform, gives you the ability, one, to just make money without even having to talk to anybody. I just showed you several examples how I just made $80. One I made like $92 or whatever, multiple times. I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to pick up the phone. I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was just get on and just do just trade. And Pocket Options, I just showed you one little indicator that they've got to let you, that gives you more information to help you to make better decisions when you're trading so you can win more trades. That's just one. They've got so many different bells and whistles and tools, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But again, set up your demo account. Again, that's free. Just set it up so you can kind of start playing around with it. Click the button right below. I'm going to show you how to get everything set up and walk you through the whole process so you'll know exactly what to do. It's definitely not difficult at all. I mean, I didn't have this when I first signed up, but it's really, really, reason why a lot of people use it because it's really, really simple. Reason why a lot of people do HFX is because it's really, really simple. And Pocket Options just makes it very, very simple and also very rewarding to share it with other people that are looking for a way to make money from home in a simple way in their own time, just using their tablet, because you can trade either on your tablet, you can trade on your phone. They've got a mobile app as well, Android or iPhone, or of course, if you're just going to want to trade on your computer, your laptop or whatever, you can definitely do that. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Again, hey, click the button right below. Going to take you to the next page. You'll see me on the next page, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to set up your Pocket Options account, and so you can start referring other people as well, making money that way, and also making money in trading. So that's really, really cool, guys. And so with that said, go ahead and click the button right below, fill out that form, and I'll see you on the next page. Peace out.